because that is really post election, right? Election Commission is only interested with elections. So if the Election Commission is saying that our record is showing that these people are Sunni, what is the name of this? Sunni Ittihad Council. That surely is a point in time prior to that, right? And from the Constitution, the only time prior to that is paragraph D. So if in Election Commission is saying, because anything that happens within the House, we are told no one can look at that, least of all the Election Commission. That's for the Secretariat, Speaker and other people to decide. So the Election Commission is now saying, according to this record that has been shown to us, that as per our record, these are people who are Sunni Ittihad Council and members of that. Surely, insofar as Election Commission is concerned, is relatable only to paragraph D. Because anything that happens once the House is constituted, that's for Secretariat and Speaker to look at. So is not the Election Commission contradicting itself now when it says that for purpose of paragraph D, we will not recognize SIC to be a political party?
My Lord, the document which was just shown, the right-hand column says party affiliation. It does not say candidates or nominees of the party.
But who are they? Who is the Election Commission, and at what stage is it able to say this is the party affiliation of person X or candidate, returned candidate X, and this is showing that he is an independent?
So it's section 66. What happens under section 66?
I will join with my distinguished colleague. Suppose that in that list they make a mistake. They show some very prominent person of Muslim League being in the PPP. What difference does it make? I'm not bound by it. I mean, the person, what it turns on it.
As long as that's the position ECB is taking, what's the position of your position on these notifications? I mean, they're valid. What is
would we even categorize them as notifications? Because they're a letter written to a deputy registrar or some section officer, I don't know, whatever is written in it, it's not even tabled as a notification or something, or pursuant to issue under some act. So that person may have got it all wrong. I don't know. But it's
communication by the election. No, but there's an official communication, with all due respect, by the Election Commission saying, you see, the Election Commission turns around yesterday and says, well, on the BAP thing, we did something wrong.